Oh, I'm my daughter missing and I just want you to help me find her. Please, may I beg you.
You don't reach 24 hours yet.
You have to wait 24 hours before you can.
That's the law.
Think me no know so no want kill me. Think me no know. But me nah make no kill me.
Suzie, I must with herself and when she tell me say me I tell you, you know. She say a play, she a play. And nobody never in her room.
She never look right. She look like she a mad out.
You know say for other day everybody want come go on like I said they want style me.
What is your daughter name?
Suzie Guthrie.
Suzie Guthrie.
Yes.
Who's Suzie?
She not so good enough.
That girl I'm missing your daughter, you say?
I'm my daughter.
No, at first me I see her.
Please, me I beg you. You see, anyway you see her, just call the number here at the police station and inform them say you see her and tell them where you see her. Please, me I beg you, because me got me one daughter and me can't find her.
Alright, no worry, man. Everything good, alright, mommy? Yeah, man, sorry about that.
You have reached the voicemail.
Yes, I didn't see over QQ bar.
You see her over QQ?
Yes.
What kind of clothes you see her in?
You know
Short pants, skirt.
Yes.
I have no problem. I saw 4 o'clock for her.
Yes.
How long that? Bow.
3 days ago.
3 days ago?
Yeah.
Alright.